the blush babe. My name is Nailpaint and welcome to another video. So I received a lot of messages from you guys asking me about my nails and I thought why not make a video on that. So by the end of this video, your nails are gonna look like Kylie Jenner. And by that, I don't mean this, I mean this. Did I really say that? I'm gonna be showing you 3 very easy and very beautiful designs that you can create by yourself without any nail equipments. Yes, you heard me right. Now all you're gonna need for this is a nail or a toothpick and anything that has a circular top. So let's not waste any more time and quickly get into the video. I need to stop doing that. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it and I hope it was helpful. If you do, then please hit the like button, share it with all your friends and family and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because you can't subscribe twice.
Okay.
Follow me on Instagram to get updated to all the goofy stuff I do. And I will see you in my next video. Oh wait, did I forget something? Yes. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Nailpaint. I come up with videos every Monday and Friday at 11. So stay tuned for my next video. I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel.